Hello class, it's me Elizabeth.
And Noah.
And today we will be showing you how to use Pear Deck.
So first you need to make your account and log in. Once you've made your account, click New, then just click Slide Deck.
This platform is similar to PowerPoint but slightly different. To create a slide, you just click Add Slide up here. And from here you can add your title and do all kinds of stuff. So just for this we'll do Pear.
You can also add an image like so. By clicking Add Image, you can now upload images or just Google search for an image on the internet.
If you add another slide, you can even add more text or lists as well as YouTube videos by clicking on any of these buttons.
You can also name your slides by clicking here.
For this one, we'll just say here. Then you click Rename. And what's unique about Pear Deck is that you can have others participate with your presentation while you're presenting it. And to do that, you would just go over here. And you can do draggable slide, you can do all kinds of stuff over here, and you could do like free response, and you could do students respond with short text, so you could have a question in your presentation and the students could answer, and it'll go up on the screen while they're answering it.
And that is how you use Pear Deck in your classroom.